welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 5th, 2024, and we're diving into Diamondback Energy's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Diamondback Energy, a key player in the oil and natural gas sector, has just released its Q3 2024 financial results. This report is particularly interesting due to the recent merger with Endeavor Energy Resources and other strategic moves.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Diamondback reported a net income of $659 million, translating to an earnings per share of $3.19. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
Diamondback's net income of $659 million is a solid performance, though it reflects a decrease from the previous year. The earnings per share of $3.19 is also noteworthy. Adjusted net income came in at $698 million, or $3.38 per share, which accounts for non-cash items and merger expenses, providing a clearer picture of their core profitability.
And what about their revenue?
The total revenue for the quarter was $2.645 billion, driven by strong oil and gas sales. This is a significant increase from the previous quarter, showcasing the impact of their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies.
Operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives. Diamondback's operational performance is also impressive, with an average production of 321.1 thousand barrels of oil per day. How has the merger with Endeavor impacted their operations?
The merger with Endeavor, completed on September 10, 2024, has significantly bolstered Diamondback's production capabilities. This strategic move has not only increased their production, but also enhanced their cash flow, with a reported free cash flow of $708 million and an adjusted free cash flow of $1.0 billion for the quarter.
That's quite a substantial cash flow. How is Diamondback planning to utilize this?
They are focusing on returning capital to shareholders, as evidenced by their share repurchase program and dividend payouts. In Q3 alone, they repurchased nearly 2.9 million shares, and their board has approved a $2 billion increase in share repurchase authorization.
Financial health and capital management. Moving on to their financial health, Diamondback's cash operating costs were reported at $11.49 per BOE. How does this reflect on their cost management strategies?
Diamondback has maintained a disciplined approach to cost management, with cash operating costs at $11.49 per BOE. This includes lease operating expenses, taxes, and transportation costs, which are crucial for maintaining profitability in a volatile market.
What about their debt levels and liquidity?
As of September 30, 2024, Diamondback's total debt stood at $13.1 billion, with net debt at $12.7 billion. However, they have a strong liquidity position with $2.6 billion available, which provides them with flexibility to manage their capital structure effectively.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Diamondback provided for the rest of 2024?
Diamondback has updated its full-year production guidance to 590 MBOED, reflecting the impact of the Endeavor merger. They also plan to invest $2.875 to $3.0 billion in capital expenditures, focusing on drilling and completions to sustain their growth trajectory.
And how are they planning to reward their shareholders?
They declared a Q3 dividend of 90 cents per share, maintaining a 2.0% annualized yield. Additionally, with the increased share buyback authorization to $6 billion, they are committed to returning significant capital to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Diamondback Energy has delivered a robust performance in Q3 2024, with strong cash flow and strategic initiatives driving their growth. Their commitment to shareholder returns through dividends and buybacks is commendable. John, any final thoughts?
Diamondback is well positioned for future growth with a solid operational base and strategic focus on capital efficiency. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of the Endeavor merger benefits and capital return strategies.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Diamondback's performance in the comments below.